I'll guide you on achieving 4K quality in CapCut after export. Follow these steps carefully to enhance your video resolution to 4K. First, open CapCut and edit your video thoroughly. Once edited, proceed to the next steps for export settings. After editing, tap Export, but first click the nearby icon as you can see here for more settings. There's another window. Click it. Then, set the options carefully, as you can see here, to ensure optimal video quality settings. Set the frame rate to 60 FPS and the bit rate to 20. At the top, where it shows quality, adjust to 1080p. To achieve 4K, upgrade to the Pro version, as you can see here. Where it shows quality, set it to 1080p, but to achieve 4K, upgrade to the Pro version, as you can see here, for best results. To achieve 4K, purchase Pro, as in CapCut. It can't be done for free, as you can see. In CapCut, it's not possible, but let's go ahead and click. To enhance quality, upgrade by clicking here, where it shows the option. To proceed, set to 1080p, which is essential. If you wish to reach 4K, purchase the Pro version. To achieve 4K quality, start by setting your video to 1080p. This is the initial step, as you can see here. Then, upgrade to Pro for full 4K capabilities. Thank you all for watching, wishing you all the best, and goodbye for now, as you can see here. Take care.